Hey YouTube, it's me, Aiden. No, Super Dude Rocks too. Sorry about that. This will be my first review, and I want it to be great, so please leave comments. That will be great. So, first one, Green Lantern Rebirth. I'm doing DC Direct, Al Jordan, and Sinestro. Now, the story is that they were really good friends until Sinestro here goes rogue. So he's to kill a bunch of people, but Al Jordan stops him. Now, the whole package in just one small box. This one. It is big enough to contain a book, 2 action figures, 2 power batteries, and 2 emblems of Green Lantern. Now, let's go to the toys, because I don't have much time. I am leaving for a vacation soon, so I won't be right. So anyway, both of their heads can turn 360 degrees. Both arms here could turn 360 degrees. And for Sinestro, only his wrists can turn 360 degrees. Only counter arm can turn 360 degrees. And the legs can both turn 360 degrees. I got Barnes and Nobles for a pretty good price, $50, and he's worth it. They're worth it. Now, it will be the quickest toy review ever. But anyway, yeah, both power batteries. It's really good. Both have a ring sculpted, really nice detail here as well. Emblem. And yeah, will be it. I might be on a vacation. I don't know when. So I will try and make a toy review. So yeah. Thanks a lot.